Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Join me today as I make refreshing watermelon juice, and please don't forget to watch this video till the end. So I'm going to start by cutting my watermelon. I'm going to divide the watermelon into the sizes, which will be very easy for me to remove the back. So after I'm done cutting, I'll go ahead to peel off the back of the watermelon. So guys, I won't be removing the seed since my juicer will help me to extract only the juice. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscription button and also turn on your notification bell icon so that you'll be the first to receive a notification whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to like and share this video. So next I'm going to cut the watermelon into smaller sizes that will fit into my juicer. Please, my lovely people, support my channel by sending me super thanks or super sticker. So finally I'm done cleaning and cutting my watermelon now. I'm going to go ahead to start adding them into my juicer. I'll add as much as the juicer can carry. After that, I'm going to start extracting the juice now. So guys, in case you don't have a juicer that separates the juice from the unwanted particles, you can use your blender to blend your watermelon, but make sure you do not blend it too much to avoid blending the seed as well. So after I'm done extracting the watermelon juice, I'll go ahead to sieve it because I like my juice very smooth. I don't like to see or feel any unwanted particles in my juice. But you can go ahead to drink your own juice straight away after extracting the juice. Next, I'm going to go ahead to transfer my juice into my smoothie cup or my glass cup. You can go ahead to leave your juice in your refrigerator to chill for some time, or you can add some ice cube in it and drink depending on your weather. So guys, this juice is very healthy and economical, especially if you are planning on going on a weight loss journey. You can form the habit of taking this kind of homemade juice instead of buying the already made one, which they've already added some preservatives and sugar and also color.